Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about YouTuber JAMAICAN. Also, we want to talk about dancehall artist Aidonia. Lord Evil, roll out with him broad eagle. Bam, 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 boo. People, in a video, JAMAICAN exposed Aidonia in the wickedest way after police run in and raid Aidonia house and move with tour Aidonia 87. People, the reason why we are react to the JAMAICAN video here, the video here is for educational purpose. A whole heap of people can learn from the video where JAMAICAN do. As much as Aidonia no like JAMAICAN and look upon JAMAICAN as an enemy, JAMAICAN are the realest person in a Aidonia corner. Me not even know if Aidonia mother or father are reason with Aidonia the way where JAMAICAN are reason with Aidonia. JAMAICAN are reason with Aidonia upon a critical level. The man a show facts. The man a show logics. The reasoning where JAMAICAN a give to Aidonia. None of Aidonia friend them. No real so. Nobody around Aidonia where ma take care of. No real so. JAMAICAN a reason with Aidonia pan a real level. And if Aidonia intelligent, educated as the type of person where he be, he would have put him ego to the side and use critical thinking, logics, wisdom, knowledge and understanding, and most important of all, common sense. The reasoning where JAMAICAN give make a whole bunch of sense. Aidonia as a dancehall artist in her 40s must understand say badness now go nowhere. Seen, and if you come from a good household where your mother a teacher and your father a soldier, that mean to say you come from a good background, a good outstanding background. Aidonia wouldn't know sufferation, cause soldier job a big job back in them days, plus a teacher who is a well-paid and respectable mother and a make good money and provide Aidonia with a good life in go Meadowbrook, big school, well intelligent young man. But we know say dancehall corrupt. We know say dancehall toxic. We know how dancehall music set up a rebel music. And most people where the dancehall come from the ghetto, the garrison, the trenches, and we know how support stay. So when you do certain song and people can relate to you, people understand say the things them where you sing about are things where you go through, them can understand you. But Jamaica is such a corrupt country where the bad man them, the 87, the gangster them get a whole bunch of praise. When a man come from prison, we celebrate him freedom, especially if him go to prison for make crazy dopey. As a thugs, as a gangster, we respect him. But when a youth go college, university, graduate with a master's, him doctorate, him degree, we no celebrate them people there. When a youth go school and pass him common entrance, fi go certain high school, we no praise and celebrate them people there the way how we supposed to celebrate them. When a youth get 10 subject, we no celebrate them youth there the way how we supposed to celebrate them. When a youth say want be police, soldier, doctor, lawyer, scientist, engineering, mechanical engineering, becoming a pilot, we not celebrate them youth there. We celebrate the Dan them. We celebrate the 87. We celebrate the toxic people them. Cause we country toxic. And Aidonia as a youth will make it in a life and become a millionaire in mindset, still stuck on being a don and being a gangster. Seeing a them type of people where we celebrate. Imagine Vybz Kartel go prison and come out a bigger superstar than Vybz Kartel go in. People no care. I mean, most people no care about what he do. Seeing them no care about that. Them celebrate that. Them celebrate dance and celebrate gangsters. And we understand say enough dance in a certain garrison make peace, create opportunity and create job and deal with certain crime and violence and certain justice. But we know say to Dan there is pros and there is cons. Them do good and them do friggery. But yet still we understand say them control the gangsters them, so crime could be worse. And enough time them not commit crime in a for them area, but them commit crime out of port. As Exp0se say, Aidonia been in the business for years. When Masicka want clash Aidonia now play Masicka no mind. And Exp0se and other people see say Masicka evolve and they on a different level. A whole heap of artists fly round Aidonia. Seeing enough of we did a game a pass because him youth sick, but him find time for crime and violence. Seeing and Aidonia as a man where in the business for years, a whole heap of artists fly past him. Remember, say Hyonia come from alliance with Movado, with Vybz Kartel, Busy Signal, and Busy Signal depend a different level for Hyonia. We a bigger artists. Kartel depend a bigger level. We a bigger artists. Movado depend a different level. We a bigger artists. A whole heap of people did expect Hyonia to come run dancehall when Vybz Kartel there behind bars. A whole heap of people did expect Aidonia to dip on a bigger level. Enough people say Aidonia lazy. Aidonia no want work. When we hear King of Dancehall, we no hear Aidonia name. When we hear the 10 baddest artists lyrical, we no hear Aidonia. And even if people say lyrical, he have potential, but him now put in the work. Aidonia should have did it in the conversation with the Alkaline them, the Masicka, the Vybz Kartel them, the Movado and so on. The man work ethics is not as strong as the other artists them. What we mention and Exp0se tell him say, low the badness, low the crime, and actually go do music. People, believe it or not, me know youth were involved in a certain things, and when him name call pa CVM and TVJ as a wanted person, the man look pa we and tell we say in did I go make it. The man say tell we say in did I go be a star, and whole of Jamaica I go know him name. And when the man name call as one of the most wanted man in a Jamaica, it was a victory lap. It was like Usain Bolt winning gold at Beijing. It was like Michael Jordan winning a championship, like Beanie Man winning a Grammy. The man feel as if say he make it. The man feel successful. The man feel achievement in a crime and violence when him hear name call. When the man buy a star and see face pan the front of it, the man did glad for buy a star. At first the man ever buy a star or a gleaner in our life. The only time that you there buy the star or the gleaner are when he make the front page. The man did feel good. Even in a community when he have a whole heap of uproar and a deal with the community away where everybody have to come off of the road. Everybody have to go lock down early. The man was a terrorize the community. The man was a menace to society in our community. And the man feel happy. The man feel joy. The man say him cannot wait for him and police going and shoot out. The man say anytime them dirt him feel happy in work on earth. It's done. So just like how Sir P has said, Aidonia, glad say him name a call up in this. Glad say police raid him house. YouTubers a talk about him or him there in the media. People look upon him as a bad man. Yes, people out there feel that way there. Enough people out there sick. Mental illness is real. But where Sir P say, we make a whole bunch of sense. When you have the crime and violence or you have certain friend, don't make them know where you live. Now bring certain things around your family. Certain man want hide out, better you find some other place. Give them. Aidonia have money. You better keep him house in the hill, private, and have a different house or a different apartment. But now bring certain people around your family. Now bring certain people at your house where you live, your personal space. If anything jump off, them know where to find you. Them know where to find your family. Imagine say police are running in your personal house. Say you have a certain people. Worse when you live uptown and have certain people where go school and educated in a corporate Jamaica and feel like say Aidonia not supposed to up there. Them people are go snitch. Them people that go inform and make police know what go on. Sir P even say after Aidonia son drop out, he feel as if say Aidonia would change him ways. Start make some positive music. Start make some real music. Start live for his family. Start live for his son them. Aidonia out here and get himself involved in a certain things. The man's a crazy bad man out there attacks Aidonia. Aidonia have to pay extortion. Cause enough of them man you know say Aidonia and no bad man. Aidonia no grow that way there. Aidonia fake it till he make it. Enough of them youth here out there have to pay crazy money as extortion and pay money for protection and man extort them on a daily level, a weekly level, a monthly level. One thing me see wrong with enough of the dancehall artists them. We understand so on do music and you can do anything want to get on a publishing, on a royalty, the money there after retirement. But on a notice, and I know hate we are hate, enough dancehall artists once them make money, what them do with their money? Whole bunch of girls, whole bunch of Hennessy, whole bunch of jewelry, whole bunch of car. Remember, a car is not an investment unless you use the car there to do business. See, once you buy a car, if you buy a car for 5,000, if you buy a car for like say 5 million, once you drive the car there off of the lot, it start devalue. The value start go down, it start depreciate right away. See, so if you drive it off for 5 million and you drive it for 2 months, by the time you go back the motel, you say 4.8 or 4.5 or $4 million. Seeing cars are not investment. I mean, I say a man not supposed to buy him car, but not because a man buy a car, you know, mean to say you can afford the car. Not because you have the money to buy the car, no mean to say you can afford it. I mean, I hate for nobody, but more than like to see Jamaican artists start make some real investment. A long time Jump Out TV production, I talk about this. A long time I want them artists here, not because you know an artist, you can go into different type of business, investment, stocks, trading, real estate. More than like to see some of them dancehall artists here start own some supermarket, start own some gas station. Why? We have so much artists in Jamaica from the 80s till now. When no found buy crazy tool put back in the garrison for hurt on the black brothers and sisters. Why no found no when you no drop out, them have to call offering for bury uno. When you no drop out, them have to start GoFundMe. Enough of them dead and no own them music, no own them masters, cause them never take time out to go learn the business. A crazy artist we see drop out in a dancehall because of crime and violence. So what Sir Pia say makes sense. Seeing enough of them artists here you can go invest in a certain things, but I like to see a supermarket with Movado name panny. Would I like to see a gas station with popcorn name panny. Would I like to see some rum. Would I like to see some soda. Would I like to see some product where them dancehall artists here invent. Why somehow no dancehall artists can't start a housing scheme? Why somehow no can't start an apartment business? Why somehow no can't start hotel? Remember, say some dancehall artists have 300 million, 500 million, 600 million. Some of them dancehall artists have 2 million US, 3 million US, 4 million US. Why me can't soon work with certain company or certain investors to create certain business in a Jamaica we can turn out into jobs? Why me not see none of uno? Seeing none of you buy some land and raise some animals. Why me not see some of you plant some coffee? Why me not see some of you own some hardware store? Why me not see some of them artists have about 15 truck? What wrong with you know? Why other people can come to Jamaica and invest in the country? The Chinese them can come and build supermarket. The Chinese them can build wholesale. The Chinese them can build so much business in a Jamaica. We have so much artists that go broke. But when they had 300 million, they can't start nothing with it. Me no know no dancehall artists we own a bank. Them artists a complain how the music can't play upon the radio. Why me no know no dancehall artists we own a radio station? Why couple of you can't own a radio station? Why no dancehall artists no have no TV station? Where you tell me say the whole of the dancehall artists them are dunce? Some of them even broke. How me no soon own a supermarket? How me no soon own no clothing store? How me no soon have no soap, no perfume, no lotion, nothing? Looking at the United States of America, Rick Ross invest in a Wingstop, and the man have about 20 different Wingstop. Chris Brown them own all Burger King franchise. Certain people own Carmart, restaurants, bars, club. What wrong with Jamaican artists? I just badness no love. I just care and violence. Why them artists you no have no Carmart? Why we no have no Carmart? Back in the days growing up in the 90s, seeing in the United States of America, P. Diddy did have Sean John Paz. Jay-Z did have Sean Carter. 50 Cent have G-Unit. Then they did have a next rapper have Lugs. Then they did have Fubu, a crazy brand. Black artists used to own back in the days. How Jamaican artists take up the badness level. Me not see none of you produce no movie. Like how you had Shatters back in the days by Kimani Mali, like how you had Third World Cup, like how you had Rude Boy with Ninja Man and Beanie Man. Why them artists you know buy some bus and have a whole fleet of bus on the road? What wrong with Jamaican artists them? What wrong with them? When it come to money, all them want invest in a crime and violence. Aidonia, enough of the other artists them we do music for years and have money come in. Why enough of you not have on own a show? Why is it the only artists have them show is Tony Rebel? We have Rebel Salute for years. Alkaline having new rules. When keep a Jamaica 3 times, in go England, in go Canada, and in go United States about 3 times. Popcorn have him show when Carga England and he have a Jamaica. Why them artists here just love crime and violence? Why no found you know want sit down and talk to man like leeching them? Why you no want sit down and talk to some entrepreneur, some people in a Jamaica where they in a corporate Jamaica? Why someone who can start some furniture store? No found you now go hot all on the life at some point in time. The music I go left somehow no and Aidonia when in 40s and in fan base them much older than that. Why somehow no start out some store like quotes? And people, believe you me, enough idea we have some of the time, but sometimes we don't have the investors or we don't have the funds or we don't have the type of money where them youth you have. But them youth you have the money and don't have the idea. And some people have the idea and don't have the money. Why them youth you not buy some land and have crazy coffee on the land where they can ship coffee right across the world? Sometimes we go in a some store, go buy some product where them put Jamaican name on it and it come from other country. Why them people are now link up with Grace Kennedy or so where they can have them own a ketchup line, them own a baked bean line? Why enough of them artists and have them own a clothing line? Why them artists and have some soda line? Why some of them artists in Jamaica not even have a line where a water? More than like to see some chips where Vibes Cartel, the banana chips, a Vibes Cartel product. More than like to see some potato chips, alkaline them products same here. More than like to see them artists have some coffee. When we go in a store and see product of Jamaica and a Movado own it. More than like to go in a one supermarket and them say, yo, a bounty killer own the supermarket here. Cause enough youth come from college and university where verse in a management where can manage it. Why enough of them artists and not buy some land and buy pay cow put panny, pay goat, pay pig? Why some of them artists and not have a train a jerk center across Jamaica? Why some of them artists here now build a place like a local Ochi with different type of fishing store panny where you can go there go buy 2 steam fish, 2 bami? Why some of them can buy out some seafront like out a Hellshire and turn it into an amusement park or something where people can go swim and buy them food same way and know it's a proper security did it? Enough of them artists that could invest in a them country and start certain business and get people to run them business. Why them artists are just involved in a crime and violence and bad man? The business them were out there, were Chinese, going to Jamaica and a run off with black artists, them having money. But them time and Exp0se now did it so. All them want to a bad mind people are known as bad man and gangster. Why some of them artists here now have a jewelry store with some jewelry did it? Why some of them artists now have some clothing store? Wagwan with dancehall artists them. A wagwan in a them head. Something wrong with black people and something wrong with Jamaican people and no good business people them. And if they do start a business, them have to do something where somebody else do where I make money. Why some of them artists can buy piece of land and buy some machine where make black and sell some black? Some want quick money, and when you get the quick money, you don't know how to keep it. But some need to invest on the money and build black. Every day on a job want 10,000 black and a sell black, have a hardware, phone yourself, have a furniture store, want to build different type of furniture, a whole heap of people would support them. But enough of them artists are just love, crime and violence, or anything them have to do are with the music. Why someone who can start some other company, some AC company? Why someone who can start a ice factory in a Jamaica, where the Jamaica ice factory burn down and them have to get ice from a different country? Why someone who can build some ice factory at Jamaica? Why who can build some factory at Jamaica where sew clothes, where people from America can send them garments at Jamaica and get some clothes sew, like how you did have free zone back in the days? Why me can't see Spice come out with an ice cream line? Why me can't see Chanel Muir? Why me can't see Maca Diamond? Why me can't see The Angel come out with an ice cream line? Why someone who can't come out with no own a beer? Why someone who can't come out with no own a rum? Why someone who can't come out with no own a drinks like Magnum? Why someone who no have no own a energy drinks like Red Bull? Why someone who no have no own a soda? Someone who don't even have a bag juice line? Something wrong with the Jamaican artists. All enough of them care, not all enough of them care about to invest in a crime or violence. And if a figure me attack, tell me in the comment section. But if enough of we artists did invest and involve in a business, the country would be a better country. And would I'm glad to see me Jamaican people them start certain business where me can support. Me tired for you go Jamaica every supermarket and Miss a Chin and Miss a Wang. Why we can't have some Movado supermarket, some popcorn, some governor, and etc. Some people also fuck me attack. Some people are going to say foolish. But if me did sit down and attack to a white man, he would agree. A Hispanic, a Latino, or me that talk to a Chinese, or a Japanese, or a Arab, then would agree. It would good. If you see Masicka have a movie theater in a Kingston, or a gas station, or a chicken place, a Wendy's franchise, a Popeyes franchise, more than glad to see a KFC where some of them artists are own. It would be a good look. Black people consume the most product in the world and we not own nothing. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Everybody will agree with me. Drop a comment on a video. Yeah. I'm out.